Good morning, guys! How's it going? This is Time again, and for someone who here for the first time ever, this channel will help you to improve your IELTS band score from 5 to 7,
5 to 7,
especially in speaking and writing. Remember that I use as many simple vocabularies as I can in my videos to prove you the fact that numerous advanced vocabularies boosting your IELTS band score at times may not be the case. I'd rather focus on the 4 marking criteria to show you the bigger picture and help you to improve your IELTS band score. A little bit about my IELTS band score. Last year, once upon a time, 2019, I took the test and I scored 8.5 in readings, 8 in listening, 7.5 in speaking, and 6.5 in writing. As I will post my new material every Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday every week, they definitely make yourself study in pace. Besides, I'm currently working here in New Zealand and I do enjoy cooking at times. In my videos, you guys will see some of the beautiful nature from New Zealand, Kiwi ordinary life, and the Vietnamese cuisines. By the way, I'm from Vietnam. Hello everyone. So guys, this week's question will appear shortly.
So guys, are you ready to answer the question? 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. There's one item that has been on my wish list for a long period of time. That is the 1-bedroom apartment of my own. I hope I can cross it off my list by the time I turn 35. I know it sounds impossible, but it would be cool if I can make it. As I am an independent person, I have always wanted to move out of my landlord place, which at times do not allow me to do whatever I desire to my room. As soon as I moved to New Zealand, I have always wanted to buy the 1-bedroom flat of my own. It was 3 months ago while surfing on the internet, the 1-bedroom condo caught my eyes. You know, if I get the place, it would take me long to travel to the city center, but in exchange, I can enjoy my own space and take the most of it. Having an apartment of my own means a lot to me for several reasons. First of all, I can decorate my place according to my personality and taste. Secondly, I can do whatever I want at my place without interfering with my landlord's life. For example, I can invite my friends over for the weekend, or I can throw a party anytime I want. Most importantly, I can prove to my parents that I am a grown-up woman and I can take a really good care of myself.
So guys, I have just answered one question in the IELTS speaking part 2. It's time now to analyze why my answer will score band 7 in the IELTS speaking part 2.
Thank you guys for your attention today. I do appreciate that. Good luck to someone who going to take the test very soon. If you're not ready yet, don't worry. Keep calm, drink your cup of tea, coffee or verbal tea, and let's IELTS. Take care guys, until next time. Bye bye, cheers. Chào chào, tạm biệt.